black spots.
Carefully remove the bezel by unsnapping it around the edge of the screen. Remove the 4 LCD screen screws. Unplug the LCD inverter. Lift the LCD screen away from the back assembly and lay it face down. Disconnect the LCD ribbon cable behind the LCD. Remove the LCD ribbon cable and antenna cables away from the hinges. Remove the 2 screws on the ambient light sensor. Unscrew the camera screw. Unplug the LCD ribbon cable from the inverter. Slide the camera up and unplug the camera cable. Remove the LCD cable from the back assembly. Place the LCD ribbon cable into the back assembly. Feed the camera cable through the slot where the camera sits. Reconnect the camera. Place the camera into the camera slot, secure it with a single screw. Replace the ambient light sensor, secure it with the 2 screws. Carefully feed the LCD ribbon cable and antenna into the hinges. Pivot the hinge to make sure that it's not binding and the cable is not being damaged. Plug the LCD cable into the inverter. Plug the LCD ribbon cable into the back of the screen. Place the screen into the back assembly, secure it with the 4 screws. Place the bezel onto the display assembly and snap it into place while working your way around the edges.
hope you found this tutorial useful. All parts discussed in this tutorial can be found at partspeople.com.